For billions of years, Earth has been a stage for wonders beyond imagination. Wonders both natural and human-made, many of which time itself has hidden from our sight. Some have been swallowed by shifting continents and rising seas, while others were erased by volcanic fury, buried beneath sand and jungle, or simply forgotten by the civilizations that once called them sacred. These are the lost wonders of our planet, the breathtaking marvels that time has tried to erase, yet whose echoes still whisper to us across the ages. The story of these forgotten wonders begins with the planet itself. Long before human beings carved monuments or painted walls with sacred symbols, Earth was creating wonders through fire, water, and stone. Imagine landscapes like vast inland seas now turned to salt flats, or colossal mountain ranges taller than the Himalayas that eroded into dust millions of years ago. Some of these natural marvels are now only known to scientists through fossilized remnants and geological clues. They remind us that Earth itself is the first great architect, and its lost creations were the earliest wonders to vanish. Yet as humankind emerged, we too began shaping wonders of our own, vast cities, towering temples, and monuments so grand they seemed destined to last forever. But forever, as time teaches us, is rarely permanent. Take, for instance, the Library of Alexandria, one of the greatest repositories of human knowledge ever assembled. Scholars from across the ancient world gathered there, seeking wisdom preserved in tens of thousands of scrolls. But fires and neglect reduced this treasure trove of learning to ashes. What secrets of science, philosophy, and medicine might have been lost? We may never know, but its absence remains one of the greatest cultural tragedies in human history. Equally mysterious is the lost city of Atlantis, a legendary island described by Plato as a powerful civilization that sank beneath the waves in a single day and night of misfortune. Historians debate whether Atlantis was real, a metaphor, or an echo of a forgotten place such as the Minoan civilization destroyed by volcanic eruptions. Whatever its truth, the myth of Atlantis symbolizes all the wonders swallowed by the sea, including entire coastal cultures drowned by rising waters after the last ice age. Beneath the oceans may lie countless lost cities that once flourished along now sunken shores. Some wonders disappeared not beneath the sea but beneath the sands. The great Zimbabwe ruins in Africa tell of a once mighty civilization whose influence stretched across the continent, yet for centuries its stone walls lay hidden under dust and vegetation. In South America, the vast geoglyphs of the Nazca lines were unknown to the modern world until aerial views revealed their full splendor. Giant figures of animals and gods etched into desert soil, artworks that could only be seen from the sky, speak to a culture with vision beyond its time. And then there are entire cities that thrived and fell, leaving behind only ghostly remains. Petra in Jordan, carved into rose-red cliffs, was once a bustling hub of trade, forgotten for centuries until its rediscovery in the 19th century. In Cambodia, the sprawling temples of Angkor Wat and the city of Angkor were swallowed by jungle after the Khmer Empire declined. Nature wrapped its roots around stone, creating an otherworldly blend of civilization and wilderness that still stirs the imagination of explorers today. Natural wonders, too, have slipped into memory. In North America, the Missoula floods of the Ice Age carved out landscapes so dramatic that ancient megafloods must have looked like the end of the world. Glacial lakes the size of seas burst their icy dams, unleashing torrents that ripped valleys open, shaping what we now see as canyons and plains. These lost floodwaters left scars on the Earth's surface, reminders of forces far greater than humanity's hand. Another vanished wonder lies beneath the surface of the Earth itself. Scientists now know that the Sahara Desert, one of the driest places on the planet, was once a lush green savanna filled with rivers, lakes, and thriving wildlife. Ancient cave paintings found in its depths depict hippos, giraffes, and people fishing from boats. This so-called Green Sahara existed thousands of years ago, its transformation into desert a powerful reminder that climates shift, reshaping entire worlds. Not all lost wonders are as ancient as deserts or floods. Consider Mount Mazama, a towering peak in Oregon that once stood taller than Mount Rainier. About 7,700 years ago, it erupted with unimaginable power, collapsing into itself and leaving behind Crater Lake, one of the deepest and bluest lakes in the world. The mountain is gone, but the lake it left behind is a wonder in its own right, a reminder that destruction and beauty are often intertwined. Human wonders, too, have been undone by fire and earth. The Colossus of Rhodes, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, stood over 100 feet tall, guarding a harbour with a bronze figure of the sun god Helios. Earthquakes toppled it within decades, and its remains were scavenged for metal. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon, said to have been a lush terraced paradise in the desert, may have never even existed, or if they did, they left behind no trace, swallowed by time's sands. These half-real, half-legendary wonders remind us that memory itself can be fragile, and sometimes the greatest marvels vanish without proof. Some of the most haunting lost wonders are those hidden beneath modern cities. Beneath Rome, catacombs stretch for miles, filled with tombs and forgotten chapels. Beneath Mexico City lies the ancient capital of Tenochtitlan, a metropolis of temples and canals that rivaled Venice, obliterated by conquest and buried under stone. How many other cities lie beneath our feet, unseen but not entirely gone? And still, the earth continues to erase and create. The rising seas of today echo the floods of the past, threatening to swallow coastal wonders in our own time. Entire island nations, ancient temples, and modern skylines may one day join the ranks of lost wonders, becoming myths for future generations. But perhaps the greatest lost wonder of all is knowledge itself. From the vanished scrolls of Alexandria to the oral histories silenced by conquest, vast libraries of human experience have vanished forever. What forgotten medicines, technologies, or philosophies might have been preserved had time been kinder? We cannot know. Yet there is a strange comfort in knowing that nothing is truly gone. Stone walls may crumble, temples may sink, forests may reclaim cities, but the memory of these wonders endures through stories, legends, and rediscoveries. Each lost wonder we unearth reconnects us not only with the past, but with the unbroken thread of humanity's endless search for meaning. The lost wonders of our planet remind us that impermanence is part of life, and that every monument, every empire, every natural marvel is ultimately temporary. But just as time erases, it also reveals. What is lost today may be discovered tomorrow, and what seems forgotten may only be waiting for us to look more closely. From sunken continents to forgotten temples, from deserts that once bloomed to mountains that became lakes, the earth whispers stories of loss and rebirth. These are the wonders time tried to erase, but whose echoes still reach us, urging us to remember, to explore, and to never stop seeking the secrets our planet keeps. And so we are left with a question. How many wonders still lie hidden, buried in jungles, deserts, oceans, or beneath the very ground we walk? Time may conceal them, but it cannot erase their existence. The earth remembers. And perhaps if we keep searching, we will uncover even more of the lost wonders that time forgot. If you found this journey through Earth's forgotten wonders fascinating, don't let the adventure stop here. Hit that like button if you enjoyed uncovering these mysteries, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss our next exploration into the secrets of our world. Leave a comment below telling us which forgotten wonder amazed you the most. Your thoughts might inspire our next video. And don't forget to share this video with friends who love history, mysteries, and the beauty of our planet. Together we can keep these stories alive before time erases them forever.